Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what do we do with frozen cordylines. This is my garden back in October. So cordylines up and down the country have suffered because of all the deep frost we've had over Christmas. But as I understand it, cordylines, or the green ones, are supposed to go down to about -10, and the red ones are a bit less hardy, about -5. So they've had to tolerate quite various weather conditions. So they've gone through the wind, the snow, the big freeze we had, the big -8, well it was where I live, and it didn't defrost in the daytime. So as you can see from the previous footage and to now, so you can see the decline of the cordylines as they're all now drooping over and feeling sorry for themselves. So as the title says, what we're going to do with the damage of frozen cordylines. So we've got several options. One is what I'm going to do is absolutely nothing and just fold them over. Some people have asked, do we chop them off, you know, to the base, or do we chop them off to where it's nice and woody on the stem? But the first thing I suggest is go around and check all your cordylines, because every single one of them will be different. So as you can see here, the green one does look absolutely fine to me. Growing tip looks in good condition. And then we'll look at the red star. As you can see, the top of it's completely gone. And then you feel down the stem, it's a bit squishy, and then you get to a firmer point at the bottom. Cordylines can usually take a good frost, but they can't take the prolonged period that we had where it just didn't defrost during the daytime. So what's happened is, because it's been wet, the rain's got in, and then it's got frozen, and then it's just gone down the stem. But usually what you can feel is normally the first 3 to 5 centimeters it goes soft, but then you'll actually quite find the woody part, and the woody part is actual bit what you're looking for. So all I'm going to do them all is just get all the tops of them and fold them over, because you don't want to cut them off just yet, because if it freezes again where you've cut, the water's going to get in and the whole process is going to start again. So all I suggest is do not cut them off at the moment. I know the garden's gonna look messy, but does it really matter this time of year? Main thing is we just want to try and protect the plant and get it growing again. So again, all I'm going to do is just fold them over and then inspect the plant. So as you can see, I'll put fingers and you can see how squishy it is. It's really gone, but when you get right there now, you can see it's really firming up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look for like a little node on the side of it. So here, that's where your new growth, if possible, it's going to shoot out from. So what I suggest is you leave it till there, until springtime, and then cut it off just above there, and then hopefully they should regrow. But when they do regrow, I think it might look a bit better, because you won't have a single stem, you're going to get multi-stems. So here at the back of the garden, here was my largest cordyline. You can see, no effort at all. Just comes away in my hands with no ease. But you look right there now, there's the growing point. Still trying, but again, if you keep squishing all the way down, this one's really gone. It's going right down. So now, right there, now right at the bottom, that's where it's gone. That's where it's firming up. So again, hopefully it will regrow. So my tip or advice at the moment is to do absolutely nothing. Wait till end of March, beginning of April, then, or the last frost date in your area, then cut them off to where it's just hard at the, you know, at the stem. Then cut them off. Look for the nodes, and then hopefully they will reshoot from out of there. But if they don't, they will regrow from the base of the plant. Right, I will leave the video there. Hopefully the tip or advice will help you out with people asking any questions about him. I know it's all going to look a bit messy this time of year, but roll on spring and we'll get it all growing again, and hopefully our gardens will look nice. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, see you again.